Qutub Minar, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Mehrauli area of New Delhi in India, which is 73-meter high tower of victory. It was built in 1193. Qutbuddin Aibak, the first Muslim ruler of Delhi, commenced the construction of the Qutub Minar in 1200 AD, but could only finish the basement. His successor Iltutmish added three more stories, and in 1368 Firoz Shah Tughlaq constructed the fifth and the last story of the tower. The tower has five distinct floors, each marked by a projecting balcony and tapers from a 15-meter diameter at the base to just 2.5-meter diameter at the top. The first three floors are made of red sandstone, the fourth and the fifth floors are of marble and sandstone. A 7-meter high iron pillar stands in the courtyard of the mosque. At the top of this pillar there is the image of Hindu god Garuda. It bears an inscription in Sanskrit in Brahmi script, according to which the pillar was set up as a Vishnu Dwaja on the hill known as Vishnupada in memory of a mighty king named Chandragupta II. The pillar has around 98% iron, but it has been stood rustless for last 1600 years. At the foot of the tower is the Quad ul Islam Mosque, the first mosque to be built in India. It consists of a rectangular courtyard enclosed by cloisters erected with the carved columns and architectural members of 27 Hindu and Jain temples, which were demolished by Qutbuddin Aibak, as recorded in his inscription on the main eastern entrance. Later, a lofty arched screen was erected and the mosque was enlarged by Shams Uddin Iltutmish and Alauddin Khalji. There are claims and evidence that Qutub Minar was built much before by Hindu emperors. Later, Qutbuddin has replaced the writing on stones. The stones has Hindu god pictures on one side and Arabic writing on the other side. Stones dislodged from the minar have Hindu images on one side with Arabic letters on the other side. Those stones are now in museum. These stones represent that invaders used to remove the stone dressing of Hindu buildings, turn the stones inside out to hide the facial, and inscribe Arabic letters on the new frontage. Today, this monument is a popular tourist attraction in Delhi and a part of the Qutub Minar complex. The Qutub Minar complex is under the protection of the Archaeological Survey of India under its Delhi Circle of Monuments. Every year, many tourists visit Qutub Minar from India and abroad. In 2006, the Qutub Minar complex attracted 3.9 million visitors, making it the most visited monument of India for that year. Qutub Minar timings are from 7 am to 5 pm in the evening. The opening time of Qutub Minar is 7 am, and it is the best time to visit the monument during early morning hours to avoid the crowd. The closing time of Qutub Minar is 5 pm. It is open all days of the week. The entry fee of Qutub Minar is INR 30 per person for Indian residents, while for the foreign tourists, the ticket charges are INR 500 per person. Qutub Minar is located around 30 to 40 minutes away from the central New Delhi. From Delhi airport, it will take around 20 to 25 minutes to reach the Qutub Minar. If you like this video, please press like, subscribe and share with your friends.